There's a bat in my hair. Oh my god, there's a bat in my hair. Oh. Wait a sec. Oh. The bat is my hair. Alpha just pawn in game of life.
Oh, you don't want to be chicken on Halloween.
Fairy princess. Ooh. Ugh. Oh, look at. I already see greatness. But while I open this bag, and we have some time, why don't you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe? I'm just saying. Here we go. That opened up really nice. Look at that. Look at her. Alright, first we're gonna do it piece by piece. We'll put the nugget aside. First off, look at that cute little dress. That comes with a little wand. Alright. See-through. Again, very hard. It's almost like resin. And you know what? I kinda love it. Alright, what else? We got... Wouldn't be a fairy princess without beautiful locks of hair. And a little crown. Oh, it has a little McDonald's on it. Oh man, that's beautiful. Come on, nice and easy. Yeah. You guys ready for the reveal? Alright. Squeeze her right into place. I love the texture. Look how shiny it is. It's so shiny. So shiny. It's so delicious and shiny. I guess a nugget that's shiny is just a greasy nugget, huh? You're calling me greasy? Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. Good as new. Yes. Ooh, that, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Have I seen you somewhere before? Okay, this isn't even a bit anymore. She's gone. I don't know where that nugget went, but it disappeared like magic. Yeah. Can I cook? Or can I cook?